What is up? I'm Obsidian MK1, and today I'm just here to go over this new frame I got in the mail. It's from a company from the UK called Ragley. This is their Marley frame. It's a hardtail. It is a 27.5. I've had my eye on it for a couple months now. So I did promise myself I'd get and basically just build a custom bike just for wheeling and street stunts and stuff like that. Once I learned how to wheelie consistently. So I've gotten pretty good at it now, and it's something I definitely love. Love the bike life stuff. I'm actually going to a ride out downtown later on in my city in a few hours here, so it's just, I'm addicted. So I had to have this. I know there is the C100 out there, but it's not really, I don't like how it curves. That's just not, it's not my flavor. I like a nice straight frame. This is just kind of got like that slope style look. Looks like more of an aggressive hardtail. It's got a tapered head tube, so it goes from 1 1/8 inch to 1.5 inches. It came with a quick release rear axle, a seat post clamp, and I don't like the color of this. I'm not into the whole Rastafarian thing so much, so I am going to be sanding this down and then hitting it with some gloss black. Because I have a wheel set that's a different color too, and it wouldn't match that anyway. So when I did get it, it came with this cool box of stuff. Came with a chainstay protector, or silencer, I guess you could call it. Came with some hardware for the frame, the derailleur and brake line. And then it came with a little bottle of paint, which I thought was pretty dope for them to send that. So, big ups to them for doing that. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in some work on this frame, and let's get into it. Okay, so we're finally done with the wet sanding, and I've just been going at that with some soap and water and wet sandpaper. So now we're finally ready to go ahead and paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this thing down and let's get to it. So it's nice and scuffed up now, so we're gonna go ahead and paint. much concludes today's progress with the wheelie bike. Basically out here done, finished painting and everything. So that's what I've got for today. And yeah, it's got that nice glossy black finish. Looks really good. I'm happy with it. That Rastafarian paint job it had on there, the logo and everything had to go, so I like that. Very sexy. So that is all for the wheelie bike today, and we will update soon, so stay tuned. Later.